You were playing as well?
Yeah, of course.
Like what?
Bubbles. Oh no, with balls.
Slide, balls, goat toys.
With the balls?
Riding boat, helicopter, riding fire truck, slide. Too many times.
Like with other kids?
Yeah, I'm a kid here also.
Well, you're not much taller.
I paid so much, so I need to.
You're not that much taller. I paid. You didn't pay for it. So.
Okay, you pay, I pay. Doesn't matter. I need to use it. It's so expensive now. Cause last time it's like before you just need to pay like for kid. How much? Like £6, £7. But now why you pay £30 for it?
For 3 person?
For 3 person. So it's like, you know, £10. Why it's so expensive? And after that I went buy coffee and a burger.
Where?
Bacon burger, yeah, because they have cafe here, yeah.
There.
Yeah, and there is more nicer because there's internet. Like, oh, I forgot to take picture here actually. Oh, we come back here again. Look at guys, meron na sadyang mga pang-sit, pero malamig pa kasi.
So many times. You have so many pictures from here.
No,
from
this
each
one.
possible side and point. I don't know, like angle.
Oh, this one. I didn't have picture with it.
Every possible angle.
Sasakyan ko to, siya na nagda-drive. Kasi nga, mag-aaway pa kami guys. Mag-aaway pa kami. Dito kami mag-aaway. Nag-uusap pa din pero hindi, you know. I will return here tomorrow yung kanyang damit sa H&M. Dito ko yan dinili.
And Alexander always have to leave something behind him here, yeah? Show you.
And he eat the food that I ordered for myself because he's hungry too. So when he's hungry, he eat anything. Yes, Alexander?
Yes, I ate your food.
Pero okay lang kasi ako naman yung kumain ng kanyang croissant. Yeah, guys. Uwi na kami. Matutulog to si Alexander for sure mamaya. I don't like my seat kasi sa kanya to na seat eh. Super down. Did you put the food? The one here in the... Where have you been?
In Clapham only.
Okay. So what? You exercise there and stay there only?
Yes.
Waiting for the time?
Playing.
Okay.
Checking.
Okay. Bye guys. Mahaba na nitong video na to. At yan yung haggard na din. Naglaro kasi ako talaga. Feeling bata din ako, no?
So did you call them? No,
Not yet. I will call them tomorrow.
You know, if you hold this,
Yeah.
cruise control.
Yeah?
Hold, yeah?
Yeah. And?
Then it changes to like 5, not 1. You don't have to press it all the time. Just hold it and it's 5 more, yeah, every time. And you can also...
You're so near to this side.
Yeah, I knew it, you're gonna do that. And you can also pause it, like here, this button, look here. You press it, yeah, and it's on pause.
Okay.
So don't turn it off with brake. Pause it first, and then you're changing your speed, you're lowering your speed, yeah? And then you want to accelerate again, and you push this button again, and you unpause. So you don't have to press so many times, it just goes back to this 50 or 60, whatever it was paused on. Automatically.
Well, I will check it if I'm comfortable. I need
Yeah, it's so nice actually. It's better than makeup. It's playing with it.
Yeah, that's good. Actually, itong sasakyan na to, very easy lang siya i-drive kasi nga, we have the cruise control. So, pag nag-drive kami, yun lang yung ginagamit ko most of the time. Like for example, the speed is 30, ganon. Kasi hindi naman super yung traffic. So, yun yung kagandahan. Hindi ka asa mo say gas all the time or checking your speed. Especially may mga speed limit dito, diba? So, it's really easy. Compare sa sasakyan ko before sa Pinas na walang ganito kasi very old na yung sa akin before. Iba talaga. Pag eto old din naman to, pero mas latest siya ng mga what is there, you know. Okay guys, I'll update you mamaya kung nasa bahay na kami. Or depende kasi ito sa Alexander for sure talaga ito matutulog ito. That's really for sure. Looks so beautiful, diba? Dito kami sa labas guys. Uwi na sana kami sa bahay. Pero gusto niya mag-walking. So walking kami sa forest.
Where kami sa forest?
You eat it. I'm not going to eat it. Kasi may natira pa sa
Kasi
5
matira pa
guys.
sa 5 guys.
Dinala namin of course kasi. Pero ito yung galing ginawa ko.
Ginawa ko. Right.
Hindi pa siya sira kasi nga may ice. Nilagay ko siya sa cooler tapos may ice. Okay. Mag-walking na kami guys. Hopefully hindi ako malobat. Eating while walking. Ayaw kumain ni Alexander. Busog siya. Pero at least hindi siya nagre-reklamo na pagod na siya, no? Kasi super grabe. 5 hours naglaro.
No, I caught in forest.
Remember here?
Yes.
Lamig.
Hold this.
Okay. Buti na lang yung pinasuot ko kay Alexander yung coat na at least magiging warm talaga siya. Ito na yung ating park. Yan.
He's a good dog.
He's a good dog. Yeah. Naalala ko guys, meron pala akong dalang boots, diba? So yan, si Alexander nag-boots na. Tapos ako, nag-change ako ng boots.
Mommy?
Yes,
Muddy siya.
ka mo change lang short boots.
Yeah. Okay, pwede na itong madumihan.
Yan. She's laughing at you.
Mommy?
Yes.
Let's not listen to the mummies.
Yes. Good dog, yeah?
Yeah.
Like you're listening to your mommy, yeah?
Yeah, but cats turn no super fast. And I'm running to get this so
Make sure you don't fall down and hurt yourself.
What is that won't? And I fall down, I won't hurt me.
Okay.
I'm not on the lead. That one on the lead.
Look at, hindi kami makakatawid nito dito.
Because in the tree.
I can pass, Alexander can pass, but I don't know. I think you cannot pass. Maybe you should go to the tree.
Yeah, maybe we should go to
Hindi kasi siya nakaboots, naka-ordinary shoes lang siya. But Alexander can pass.
No, don't go into the street.
But
What, you guys go?
we can pass because we have boots. And then how about you? In the tree?
Yeah, because he had no boots.
Yeah.
He
Okay.
can't take his shoes off.
Why not? Why not? Binigyan ako ni Alexander ng flowers ay.
What?
Oh, maybe Alexander, you can do it too. You can balance. But you need to, oh wait, I think you cannot, Alexander. You need so much balancing to it. Huh? I think you should not, you just go to this one, oh, because we can pass. Or you can try. After daddy. Gusto din i-try. It's too hard? Even if he fall down, he don't fall down so hard.
Covered in mud.
Ah, okay, yeah. Okay, Alexander, let's go. Let's go to this. Si Apam lang yun. Hold my hand because it's slippery. Hold my hand, hold my hand. Ito kami. We will, no, Alexander, there's no way there. Ito kasi look, oh, super mud. Super mud. Okay, wait. Ay, tago ko na tong phone ko. Ang laki pala dito, oh, look. Parang nawawala yata kami. Kasi iniiwasan namin yung mud ulit. Malaki kasi pala itong wild forest na to. Kinagaya ni Alexander si Apam. What? What? It's not the right way?
The troll in the trees.
Oh, yeah. Okay. What is that?
Flowers for you.
Why? You're giving me flower.
Gift of love.
Is it real or fake? Look, meron. I think it's a very big squirrel or fox. I know. Super big. Nasaan na yun? Ang bilis niya kasi. Oh, look at it.
Used to be plenty of flowers.
Yeah, and maybe they don't need flowers.
Just these ones that are dying.
Maybe they remove it.
Two little bees in the planet. In the last 50 years, 70% of bees went out.
Oh, dito, oh, maganda siya. Yeah? It's okay, I'll wash your coat when you arrive home. I'll wash it. It's muddy. Me? Yes. No. Because this is boots. So easy to remove this later. So easy, just water it can remove our boots. It will be clean so fast. Let's go now. Okay. I'm searching for bin para I can throw this one kasi naubos ko na yung aking chips. Hey, don't worry. We will wash it after because still there's more mud later. Wait. There's more mud. Come on. Yeah.
So fast.
Yeah, I told you so fast. Yes.
So now that the lower platform don't die.
Yeah.
We still come here every day when they die, so they won't die ever.
Yes. Yes. Yan. Hogard. Mas maganda pa dito. Mag-walking than that place. I know what you realize.
Yeah, we always go there.
Yeah.
Sandbar.
Yeah.
When we can just go here.
Yeah.
There's so much space
Yeah.
instead of on this road. Yeah.
Yeah. Because you don't check everything. I thought you checked this place already. You said you should check all the parts. Even Alexander in the playhouse, you check everything. Yeah. You know everywhere there. Yeah.
Oh yeah, but I didn't go down
Uuwi na siya. Tingnan natin kung magtitingin ba siya sa amin or hindi. Where are you?
When just last time over here, then you come here.
Yeah. Okay, you want to walk more or no more? No more? Why? Are you tired?
Yes.
Well, I'm not tired.
Oh, wow. Alexander is not tired. I will drive. I will drive, okay? Why not? Alam nyo, si Apam guys, ayaw niya na ako yung mag-drive kasi nga, ang bilis ko daw magpatakbo. Slowly. Sander, look.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, hold on. Let's go. We'll change your short, okay? Ayaw na ni Apam na ako yung mag-drive dahil daw, ang bilis ko daw mag-drive. Natatakot na siya na ako yung mag-drive. Okay. Oh, I forgot the rubbish. Wait lang. Open natin yung sasakyan. Tapos, palitan ko si Alexander ng meron naman akong extra ditong trouser sa kanya. Kasi nga, I'm thinking talaga. Yeah, kasi I'm thinking.
The flowers.
Oh, don't worry, don't worry. That's more important. Kasi nga, I predicted na talaga na doon kami sa car racing, then muddy, diba? Kasi umuulan. Kaya nagdala ako ng extra. But, okay guys, off ko muna.